You're not an imposter. You're a founder and you're doing just fine.
When Ashley Sims signed on to the Build in Tulsa team 2 years ago, the concept of We Build did not exist.
I knew that we were developing an organization that would really be trying to live up to the legacy of Black Wall Street. I knew that we were going to be working with Black founders. I knew that we were going to try to tap into the spirit of entrepreneurism that runs through our community.
It was that community that made it possible to start building from the unknown. Now managing director, Sims and Build in Tulsa director of programming, Desiree Friesen, brought in a focus group of Black women and asked them what they needed the most.
And one thing that kept coming back up again and again was this idea of imposter syndrome, the idea that entrepreneurship is so hard and so lonely, and that it weighs on a person, and that decreases their productivity and decreases their business success.
The Women Entrepreneurs We Build program, focusing not only on Black and Latinx women-owned businesses, but also, and maybe perhaps more importantly, on the women themselves, began to evolve. And Build in Tulsa didn't stop at counseling. The new We Build program includes a $25,000 non-dilutive grant, 3 months of business training, networking, and mentorship opportunities, free legal and accounting services, co-working desks and conference room access, laptop devices and connectivity, financial education, and cost of living stipends to help provide housing, childcare, and healthcare.
We are really building what we can hope will be a model for other programs around the country. That if we can show you, if you pour into the founders and pour into the business, if you give them the business education as well as financial literacy training, if you give them a good laptop and the money to connect to Zoom so their Zooms don't drop, then that makes all the difference in the world.
It's a concept that can make a big difference for women in Oklahoma. In 2022, the state ranked last place in a study that measured women's economic and social well-being and women's health care and safety across the U.S. The first We Build cohort kicks off on April 26th with 10 entrepreneurs, half from the Tulsa area and the rest from all over the country. Sims tells VNN she hopes it will be the first of many.
We can unlock the potential of this huge segment of the population, women, who just don't get the time, attention, resources that they deserve. And we know that they have talent. We know they have brilliant ideas. They just need a little bit of help getting there.
This story was published as part of VNN's 2023 FATE Learning Series, Trauma-Informed Business Development. To register for free tickets to the 2023 FATE in-person event or take part in the series online, visit the FATE webpage. For VNN Oklahoma, I'm Brittany Harlow.